The Galaxy Watch 4 days are numbered, as Samsung has just signaled the end of support for this popular 2021 release. Samsung's support commitment for watches is far from what it provides for smartphones. After 3 years, the company's support is all but complete. With that in mind, the Galaxy Watch 4 series will be getting a final major wearOS update this year, or perhaps you may not see it at all. With the launch of the One UI 8 Watch Beta, Samsung has officially signaled that Galaxy Watch 4 is on its last legs. In a footnote released by the beta release team, Samsung said One UI 8 Watch release requires Galaxy 5 or newer. While it does not confirm the Galaxy Watch 4 won't get the One UI 8 based on Android Wear OS 6, it certainly seems that way. It's not a shock, as the new update may not be in time for Samsung's 3-year cutoff date in August this year. Samsung updates could certainly continue, but that does not seem likely. The Galaxy Watch 3, released in 2020, has not been updated since late 2023. If that pattern follow, Galaxy Watch 4, which got its last update in May 2025, it's already living on borrowed time.